preventive or the control measures for the crop. Basically, when the farmer does agriculture, he has to take care lot of things so that the crop is of very good quality. Now let us discuss some of the things which could be done to have a very good yield, that means the very good output. So first of all, the first preventive or control measures. The first preventive measure for the crop or for the growth of the crop is that during the sowing. So when the crop is being sowed or when the crops are being sown in the field, proper depth must be calculated so that there is no competition for the sunlight or for the water. Because if there is competition between the crops for sunlight or water, then the crops will not be of good quality. So proper depth must be looked after, and proper distance between the crop must be also taken care of so that the crop is of very good quality. Because everything that we will discuss here leads to the good quality of a crop, ultimately benefiting the farmer. The next important step that could be taken is that we must use the various chemicals. Basically, all these chemicals include like pesticides, weedicides and even fungicides, like fertilizers also. Basically, these chemicals are sprayed on the field so that the pesticide, that means the insects or the rats, sometimes even the small birds that come. So we should avoid such animals in the field because they will ultimately damage the crop. And even sometimes a scarecrow is also used. This scarecrow will scare the birds so that the birds can't come in the field, because basically birds are a source of pollination, and if they come, they transfer the seeds to the other crop, and that is why the crop will also lose the fertility. The next important step that could be done is the crop rotation. Basically, crop rotation means that the crops are being rotated after a certain period of time. That means if I grow one crop for 1 year, I will grow the next crop for the whole complete second year. This ultimately helps in replenishing the soil. Basically, after a period of time, the soil loses its nutrients, and the soil needs time to regain all these nutrients. And for regaining the fertility of the soil, we always prefer crop rotation. It is generally of 3 types, that is 1 year, 2 year and 3 year. I have discussed all these 3 types in the video of crop rotation. The next step which could be done for the proper management of the preventive measures is the storage. Ultimately, when the crop is harvested, now it is ready to be sold in the market. So before selling in the market, we have to keep in proper godowns, and proper arrangement must be done. For this, we must have proper dedicated godowns, that is the point of storage. Now when all these steps have been taken care of, the crop will be of good quality. But initially, the crop must be a disease resistant crop. So that is the last point, that is disease resistant crop. Because when the crop is of disease resistant quality, so no disease will happen to this crop, and ultimately it will benefit the farmer. So what we have discussed till now are the preventive measures or the control measures for the crop. The first of them was the sowing pattern. Basically, proper depth must be taken care of, and the distance. Depth and distance between the crop must be appropriate so that there is no competition, and avoid the competition between the crops. Then we have discussed the chemical fertilizers, and even different types of sprays are used on the soil or on the crops so that they avoid the weeds production, or the fertilizers will help in the soil fertility. Basically, the soil fertility helps in making 2 advantages. Basically, first it improves the soil texture, and also it will help the crop to be healthy, and it will help the crop to be nutritious. The third is that scarecrow sometimes is used on a field to scare away the birds, which may help in pollination, which is actually disadvantageous to the farmer. Then we have discussed the importance of soil rotation, which also affects the soil fertility. It is of 3 types: 1 year, 2 year and 3 year. Then I have discussed the importance of storage and the importance of godowns. and the last was the crop variety, that is the disease resistant crops. So this was everything about the preventive and the control measures which are taken care of while doing agriculture.